Shiti Jal Pavak Gagan Samira Panch Rachit Ati Adham Sharira. In other words, it says space, water, fire, sky and air are the 5 elements that constitutes this mortal body. This recognizing women water champions is actually a part of a larger work that UNDP has been doing on women leadership in water governance and management. And this particular project is a joint effort with CV under the Water Governance Facility. And we are very kindly joined by the National Water Mission in our endeavor to recognize these women water champions. So this is a part of amplifying the voices of the women in the water sector, and also to provide them a platform so that they can present their journey and their inspiring stories so that many more women can also come to the forefront. So this is a small step, a first step, if I may say, towards women empowerment in the water sector and to recognize their contributions.
The initiative that we're here to celebrate today brings us a step further in advancing gender equality. Women's leadership in water management and governance is aimed at amplifying the voices of women from the grassroots by highlighting the stories of 41 inspiring women champions. In spite of hurdles, in spite of challenges, these champions are motivating countless others by forming self-help groups and by initiating water literacy drives and trainings to ensure access to clean water for all.
It's obvious that women need to be actively engaged in water management decisions, yet we know it's not always the case. So we need these examples, these role models, and these stories on how women take leadership, how they address challenges, and as a result, create positive change for their communities.
All the members of the panel, the partners of this function, and all the women warriors and all those people who are joining from different parts of the world. Welcome to all of you to this function. Let me, at the onset itself, thank UNDP, CV, and Water Governance Facility, and all other partners for this program to honor the women water champions and the release of the compendium. For the international audience, I can tell that this campaign, Catch the Rain Where It Falls, When It Falls, is a simple message for a decentralized storage of water, which can be possible only with the help of people in the ground, and also the driving force would be the women of the country. So I congratulate and thank I congratulate the women champions who have been selected for this award, and I request them that they should be the biggest motivational force for collecting the rainwater in the ensuing monsoon, and so that we make Catch the Rain campaign a very big success. Once again, I thank the UNDP and its associate partners for getting this organized and recognizing the women water warriors. All the best. Thank you.
Akali Turu from East Singham district in Jharkhand has helped mobilize the community to dig around 70 ponds in her block and started a livelihood program based on them to address the local employment needs.
Sartama faced the critical issue of drinking water availability most of her farming life. She mobilized the village community to act collectively and together with them revived traditional water storage structures and even constructed new structures.
પાણીની સમસ્યા હોવાના કારણે ના ખેતી કરી શકે કે પીવાના પાણી માટે પણ મહિલાઓને 4 થી 5 કિલોમીટર પાણી ભરવા જવું પડતી હતી. આ સમસ્યાને હલ કરવાના ભાગરૂપે મારા જીવનનું મિશન પણ એક છે કે પાણીનું બૂંદ ટીપે ટીપે જેમ સરોવર ભરાય છે તેમ પાણીનું બૂંદ જો બૂંદ બચાવીએ તો ખરેખર ભૂગર્ભ જળમાં વધારો થાય અને વધારો થવાના કારણે જીવ સૃષ્ટિના સર્જન માટે સદંતર ચાલ્યા કરે एक है।
मेरा मानना है कि पानी के बिना जीवन असंभव है और मैं खुद को सौभाग्यशाली मानती हूँ कि मैं अपनी क्षमता को इसमें योगदान कर पाई हूँ। धन्यवाद।
పరిశ్రమ
అచ్చా నేను వచ్చి చూశాను మీ ఏరియా FES లో. ఐ హావ్ విజిటెడ్ దట్ ప్లేస్ తంబాలపల్లిలో. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ టొమాటో చాలా బాగా పండింది కదా, అది హైదరాబాద్ బెంగళూరు తీసుకుపోయి చాలా లాభాలు వచ్చినాయి. మరి వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా మళ్ళీ వచ్చి మీ విలేజ్ లోకి ఎందుకు వచ్చారు వాళ్ళందరూ?
టమోటా అంటే అది ఒకసారి మీరు చెప్పినట్లు రేట్ బాగానే వస్తుంది సార్, తర్వాత కానీ డౌన్ గానే అవుతుంది, అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ నష్టంగానే అవుతుంది.
వేరియేషన్ ఉంది, ప్రైస్ వేరియేషన్ ఉంది. కరెక్ట్.
Water is looked at in silos. So अगर मान लीजिए खेती में पानी का ज्यादा उपयोग हो रहा है तो उसका प्रभाव निश्चित तौर पे पीने के पानी पर भी पड़ेगा. पर खेती के पानी का निर्णय लेने का जो पूरा दामोदार है वो काफी हद तक जो है पुरुषों के हाथ में रहता है, क्योंकि जैसे अभी और साथियों ने भी कहा कि खेती में महिलाओं की भूमिका को जो है कुछ हद तक कम तरह से आंका जाता है, तो निर्णय सब पुरुष लेते हैं.
I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate the Ministry of Jal Shakti and the Jal Jeevan mission that has taken a form of a people's movement realized through model of Pani Samitis at the village level, half of whose members are women. In the villages, the women are trained in testing water quality, and as we have seen, they are playing a stellar role, not only impacting the regions where they work in, but by inspiring entire communities into taking conscious actions towards water conservation, management, and sustainability.